So guys, today I'm cooking chicken breast, and so I want to show you a bit of how I cook my chicken. Yeah, so I've added salt, as you can see, ginger and saumu, and I'm going to add some water for it to boil. Yeah, so I'll not add a lot of water, just a little water. Yeah, then I'll let it boil. Yeah, then I'll show you the other process. So guys, this is how it's looking after boiling it. So I'm going to drain this soup niweke mahali, then I'm going to deep fry this into oil. Yeah, let me show you guys. So guys, this is the soup that I've drained, and so I want to deep fry this so that they can become crunchy. Oops, sorry, let me put them niwaonyeshe. Toka baba. So that's Tijan. So guys, that's the outcome. Yeah, so I'm waiting for them to become golden brown. So guys, they are done, they are good to go. Let me remove them. Yeah, so since I don't have soya sauce, that's why I've deep fried it kwa hii mafuta mob. Kama ningekuwa na soya sauce, singeziweka huku ndani. But that's my way of doing it because I wanted them to be crunchy. Yeah, and so they're becoming crunchy, just a bit of crunchiness. Yeah, as you can see, they're just good to go now. Let me remove them, then I can prepare my stew, and I'm going to show you guys. So guys, this is the outcome. Yeah, I made the stew kama kawaida. Nimeweka nyanya, kitunguu, capsicum and tomato. Then after the soup is boiled, nikaweka the chicken. After the chicken is boiled, nika sprinkle the coriander. Now I want to remove them. I've also added some cubes. Yeah, I don't have any spices, any other spices, but just cubes, the Royco cubes. Yeah, and I'm good to go. Now the stew is done. I want to remove it and cook my ugali.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.